So one of the things I frequently get asked is where my keyboard is from, so I'm going to be telling you guys some details about it. So it's from KBD Fans. Has a really long name, so I'm just going to put the picture of it up on here. You can customize the RGB lighting of it. Here I am just cycling through the different modes, and you can also play around with the saturation and brightness of it. I normally just keep it at this really muted pink peachy sort of color. I really appreciate the look and feel of a mechanical keyboard, and I just love the way it sounds. So if you're just mainly looking for aesthetics and you don't really care about everything else, I found very similar alternatives on Amazon that I'm going to be adding on my Amazon page.